The terms of exponents are used very widely in physics and in human societies. Engineers like to use a base of 10. And physicists like to use a base of E, Euler's number. Financiers or bankers like to use the interest rate to the power of t. That's what gives them the wealth, and so on. Okay. You look at a famous screenshot of Einstein's blackboard. His blackboard consists of a bunch of fractions and exponents, as you can see. The very commonly used solution to the heat transfer equations has a solution of exponential terms in there. Okay? So you should be convinced that the exponential terms that we learn is not just for a mathematical exercise. Let's look at a few examples of transformation. I'll write them down and give you some time so that you can have your own fun. Now, the first one we're going to look at is to transform the expression of a over b to the power of m times n. Okay? You can write it any way you want and just have some free-form expressions. The second one we're going to look at is a base a log of a to the m plus 1's power. The second one we're going to look at is a base a log of a to the root of n. And the last one we're going to look at is a base a log of 1 over a to the root of n. Okay. I will give you some time to look at this and we'll review the answers. Okay, so let's look at this one. There are many ways you can rewrite this. You can write this as a radical root of 1 a over b to the root of 1 over mn. You can write this as a to the power of m times n and b to the power of m times n. And this can be rewritten as a to the power of m times n and b to the power of n times m. And this can be a to the m to the n's power and b to the n of m's power. And you can further write it as a to the m to the root of 1 over n and b to the n to the root of 1 over m, and so on. Log a to the m plus 1 is equal to m plus 1. And log a of a to the root of n is equal to log a over 1 plus n. Okay, that's a transformation. And so this is equal to 1 over n. This one is slightly more complicated. And log a 1 over a to the root of n is equal to 1 over a to the power of 1 over n, which further can be rewritten as 1 to the root of minus 1 over n. So the answer for this one is minus 1 over n. Okay? So hopefully you see that there's many ways to express the same thing in different mathematical forms. Thank you for watching.